Have you ever wondered how mobile apps are developed? It's a complex process involving a blend of creativity, technical skills, and understanding of various platforms. One of the major game changers in this field is the concept of cross-platform development, allowing developers to create apps for both iOS and Android simultaneously. Leading the way in this realm is Flutter, a revolutionary technology that is altering the landscape of mobile app development. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of Flutter, a powerful tool for developing mobile apps. You might ask yourself, what exactly is Flutter? Well, let's dive in and unpack this. Flutter is a unique and innovative creation from the tech giant Google. It's an open-source user interface software development kit, and its main purpose, to develop applications. But not just for one or two platforms. With Flutter, you can create apps for an array of operating systems: Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, and Windows, even Google's own Fuchsia and the web. And here's the best part: all these applications can be developed from a single code base. Yes, you heard it right, just one code base. No need to write separate codes for each platform. It's all about efficiency and consistency with Flutter. The result? Beautiful, fast, and natively compiled applications. So with Flutter, you can build beautiful, fast, and natively compiled applications from just one code base. Now you may be wondering, why should I choose Flutter over other app development platforms? Well, let's dive into the many perks of Flutter. First off, Flutter offers rapid development thanks to a feature known as Hot Reload. With Hot Reload, you can experiment, build UIs, add features, and fix bugs faster. No more waiting around for changes to take effect. Next up, Flutter gives you the ability to create expressive and flexible user interfaces. You're not limited to a one-size-fits-all design here. You can make your app look and feel exactly how you want it to. And let's not forget about native performance. Flutter allows your app to work smoothly on different platforms, providing a seamless user experience. Last, but certainly not least, Flutter has a large and supportive community. If you're ever in a bind, there's a good chance someone out there has a solution. These advantages make Flutter a preferred choice for many developers worldwide. Are you intrigued about how to use Flutter? Here's a quick walkthrough. First, let's get Flutter on your system. To install Flutter, you'll need to download the stable Flutter SDK from the Flutter website. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and place the Flutter folder in your desired directory. Add this directory to your system's path to ensure Flutter commands can be run from any terminal window. Next, we set up the development environment. Flutter supports a range of IDEs, but for our walkthrough, we'll use Visual Studio Code. Download and install it from the official site. Then head to the Extensions view and search for Flutter. Install it. This extension adds a range of handy Flutter-specific features to your IDE. Now let's create a new Flutter project. Open Visual Studio Code, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette, type Flutter New Project and hit Enter. You'll be asked to enter a project name. Choose something snappy and you're on your way. Finally, writing a simple Flutter app. Flutter uses Dart language. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with Dart. It's easy to pick up if you know any object-oriented language. A basic Flutter app is composed of widgets which describe what their view should look like given their current configuration and state. For a simple Flutter app, we'll create a scaffold widget which provides a default app bar, title, and a body property that holds the main widget tree. And voila, you've just created your first Flutter app. So that was a quick dive into the world of Flutter. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. Flutter is a free and open-source mobile UI framework created by Google. It allows developers to craft high-quality native interfaces on both iOS and Android from a single code base. This is a key advantage, as it significantly speeds up the development process and reduces the room for error. We've also highlighted the other benefits of Flutter. Its Hot Reload feature allows developers to experiment, build UIs, add features, and fix bugs faster. Plus, its rich set of fully customizable widgets ensures that you can create native interfaces in minutes. But what sets Flutter apart is its potential to revolutionize the app development industry. By providing a framework that is both efficient and user-friendly, it paves the way for more streamlined and effective development processes. With Flutter, the possibilities for creating stunning and efficient mobile applications are truly limitless. Happy coding!